3 things Jared wants to talk to you about today. I love these 3 things. Hit it.
So, want to talk today about the most expensive things that you're doing in sales, the things that are costing you the most money. And these are things that have nothing to do with the actual sales process.
But everything to do with the sales process.
And everything to do with making money.
Nothing and everything. What would that be anyway?
The number one most expensive thing as a salesperson, as a business owner, as a person on planet Earth, the thing that costs you more money than anything is that people have no idea who you are.
Dude, you don't exist.
Who are you?
People say, man, people buy from people they trust. People buy from people they know. Listen to what I'm telling you right now. This is where what's his name, my buddy, Tom Hopkins had it wrong. He's like, people buy from people they trust. And no, people buy from people they know, because if they don't know you,
they can't trust you.
Oh, come on. Even if you're the most honest person in the room.
Yeah, that's right.
If I don't know you, right?
So what you guys got to think with is like right now, you're throwing pebbles into an ocean and think you're making a splash. You got this massive body of water, this massive economy that you're going in and trying to make a difference in. And dude, you're not even audible. Like, it's just these tiny little whispers. So when you're out in the market,
I'll give you an example of what Jared's saying right here. You're a barber. Jared, what is your barber charge?
$55.
Don't even know him. Don't even know him. My guy gets $90. Jared says my guy can't do his hair. Okay?
I don't trust him.
My guy should walk over here, hit Jared, give him a little nose trim, hit Johnny.
Johnny with the nose trim for sure.
He needs to bring another set of scissors for Johnny. So
hedge clipper.
And he ought to come here, because my guy Juan can't get him from his dude that does whatever. He can't steal Jared away, because Jared don't trust my guy, Javier, the barber. Doesn't trust Javier. So what? But by the way, see, Javier would say, yeah, but Jared knows who I am. He knows you, bro, but he's got you in a list to not know. How many customers out there know you? You're in a car dealership. They know you work there. Your uncle knows you work there, but he buys his car from somebody else because he forgot you. That's happened to everybody. The plumber, the contractor, the real estate agent. I bought a house. Why didn't you call me? Oh shit, I forgot about you.
Yeah.
So when Jared says they don't know you, number 1, number 2, there's 2 levels of don't know. Jared, you want to share what it is?
They don't know you, and they're not thinking about you. They do know you, and they're not thinking about you.
They forgot you.
Yeah.
Some of you forget your own damn self. My name's Grant Cardone. This is Jared Glant, who spends too much time and too much money on his damn haircut. If you agree with that,
Guy
post
gets his
in
haircut
comments
every week,
below.
and I guarantee you my hair's
Post
done
in
faster
comments
than his.
below if you think Jared spends too much time on his haircut. Okay? And whether you watch it on YouTube or iTunes. And by the way, this week, 14 days from now, grab your seat. Me, Sarah Blakely, Damon, John.
GrantCardone.com/10X Miami. Get
When we
your
come back
tickets.
from the break, we're going to share with you the 2 reasons and exactly what's to do about it.